Yo, hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a tutorial about Poppy Playtime Chapter 4, guys. As you can see, I got the game right here on my PC, guys, and I got it for free. So if you want to learn how to do this, then watch the video until the end. I'm going to show all the steps I did for myself, guys, so you can learn it also you how to do it by yourself as well. Alright, so I'm going to continue this tutorial immediately right now to show you everything you need to know, guys, in order to get a copy of the game as well, okay? As you can see, guys, I have right in front of you my iPhone. I suggest also you to grab your smartphone because you're gonna need it in order to get a copy of the game. So it doesn't matter the device you're using, iOS or Android. I'm just showing to you with my iPhone, but the same steps are working also for the Android devices, guys, okay? So you don't have to worry if you have Android. What we are going to do, we're going to get a game code which is going to redeem your copy of the game after for free. Me, I got it mine by text. I'm going to show you how it looks like if you decide also to get it by SMS. And it says congratulations, task has been completed successfully. This is a game code which is one-time use. I already use it. Is your Poppy Playtime Chapter 4 code for Wish coupons. So basically I went to this site, guys, which I'm going to share also the rest of the steps. Inside you have a lot of other things you can check later if you're interested for something else. I'm just gonna type the name of the game on the searching bar not to make the video too long, and press here, and then scroll it down. You have this show coupon, and then unlock the code. You just need to wait a couple of seconds so the whole circle to get completed 100%. This is to check the validity of the coupons on the site, and then it's going to redirect us to another page, guys, when it is required to complete a little task in order to unlock the game code. You just need to read the instructions, guys. It's very simple. Anyway, I'm going to explain to you as well. So it says download the complete 2 apps below to unlock Poppy Playtime Chapter 4 game code. And down here it says after completing the task, enter phone number or email above to receive the code. As you saw it, me, I got it by text because I put my phone number, but you can put also your email if you want to get it by email, okay? Before you do that, down below you're going to find the list of apps, guys, which all of them they are for free, as you can see, and all of them they are from Play Store and App Store, so it means that they are from official stores, guys. You don't have to worry nothing about you don't have to do anything outside official stores. All right, so all you have to do, you just need to read the instructions, guys. Every app have different instructions, so make sure you read it so you don't make any mistake, so you can do it correctly, and then try to choose which is the easiest and fastest for you so you don't lose also too much time. So me, for example, I did High Five Casino and I did Family Island. I'm going to show you how it starts. Basically, you just choose on it, and then you have again instructions, then tap to install. It's going to redirect you to App Store in the case you're using iOS, and Play Store in the case you're using Android. So as you can see, the me was open because I did it before. So basically I came here, I downloaded. This app was required as a task just to download and to enter in the app for a couple of seconds. So I did the first one, okay, and then as you can see, High Five Casino, and then Family Island as well. So as you can see, Family Island as well. So also Family Island, you just press on it and then tap to install and continue again this first app. So after I completed both of these 2 apps, I came here, bought my phone number, guys. I submitted. A couple of minutes after, I just received the code by text. So basically this is it, guys. I hope it was helping you. So before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button. If you have any question, whatever you need to ask, just let me know in the comment section, guys. I'll be very happy to get in touch with you and try to help you with everything you need. Okay, see you in the next videos, guys. Cheers.